Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset service BMW X5 E70 only way. Start by sitting in the driver's seat with doors closed and parking brake engaged. Turn ignition to the first position without starting the engine and ensure the instrument cluster is active. Use the trip odometer button and steering menu to access the service menu. Follow button presses in sequence and confirm the reset when prompted to clear the service light. Next, I will guide you through each button press clearly and slowly for easy replication. Begin by turning the key to position 1 so the dash lights up but the engine stays off. Press and hold the trip odometer reset while you cycle the display options with the steering buttons until the service menu appears. When the correct service item is visible, press and hold the designated reset button until the cluster shows a confirmation message and the light clears. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like to keep more content coming and support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handles crumbs and dust while you work on car projects, making cleanup effortless and leaving you free to focus on the reset. It has voice control and smart mapping, so it fits nicely into a busy garage routine. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you run into trouble, stay calm and repeat the steps exactly, because timing matters for menu navigation. Avoid disconnecting the battery as a quick fix, since that can introduce more electronic issues. If the service indicator still refuses to clear after multiple correct attempts, it likely indicates a fault requiring a diagnostic scan. In that case, seek help from a qualified technician who can read fault codes and advise the proper repair before resetting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.